2024 Oscar nominations have been announced. Here is the full list. The nominations for Best Picture are American Fiction, Anatomy of a Fall, Barbie, The Holdovers, Killers of the Flower Moon, Maestro, Oppenheimer, Past Lives, Poor Things, The Zone of Interest. Here are the nominees for Best Director: Jonathan Glazer for The Zone of Interest, Yorgos Lanthimos for Poor Things, Christopher Nolan for Oppenheimer, Martin Scorsese for Killers of the Flower Moon, Justin Triet for Anatomy of a Fall. Here are the nominees for Best Actress: Annette Bening for Nyad, Lily Gladstone for Killers of the Flower Moon, Sandra Hüller for Anatomy of a Fall, Carey Mulligan for Maestro, Emma Stone for Poor Things. Here are the nominees for Best Actor: Bradley Cooper for Maestro, Paul Giamatti for The Holdovers, Colman Domingo for Rustin, Cillian Murphy for Oppenheimer, Jeffrey Wright for American Fiction. Here are the nominees for Best Supporting Actress: Emily Blunt for Oppenheimer, Daniel Brooks for The Color Purple, America Ferrera for Barbie, Jodie Foster for Nyad, Divine Joy Randolph for The Holdovers. Here are the nominees for Best Supporting Actor: Sterling K. Brown for American Fiction, Robert De Niro for Killers of the Flower Moon, Robert Downey Jr. for Oppenheimer, Ryan Gosling for Barbie, Mark Ruffalo for Poor Things. Here are the nominees for Best Adapted Screenplay: American Fiction, Barbie, Oppenheimer, Poor Things, The Zone of Interest. Here are the nominees for Best Original Screenplay: Anatomy of a Fall, The Holdovers, Maestro, May December, Past Lives. Here are the nominees for Best Animated Feature: The Boy and the Heron, Elemental, Nimona, Robot Dreams, Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. Here are the nominees for Best Documentary Feature Film: Bobby Wine, The People's President, The Eternal Memory, Four Daughters, To Kill a Tiger, 20 Days in Mariupol. Here are the nominees for Best International Feature Film: Io Capitano, Perfect Days, Society of the Snow, The Teacher's Lounge, The Zone of Interest. Here are the nominees for Best Cinematography: El Conde, Killers of the Flower Moon, Maestro, Oppenheimer, Poor Things. Here are the nominees for Best Costume Design: Barbie, Killers of the Flower Moon, Napoleon, Oppenheimer, Poor Things. Here are the nominees for Best Film Editing: Anatomy of a Fall, The Holdovers, Killers of the Flower Moon, Oppenheimer, Poor Things. Here are the nominees for Best Makeup and Hairstyling: Golda, Maestro, Oppenheimer, Poor Things, Society of the Snow. Here are the nominees for Best Production Design: Barbie, Killers of the Flower Moon, Napoleon, Oppenheimer, Poor Things. Here are the nominees for Best Original Score: American Fiction, Killers of the Flower Moon, Indiana Jones and the Dial of Destiny, Oppenheimer, Poor Things. Here are the nominees for Best Original Song: It Never Went Away from American Symphony, I'm Just Ken from Barbie, What Was I Made For from Barbie, The Fire Inside from Flaming Hot, Wazazi, A Song from My People from Killers of the Flower Moon. Here are the nominees for Best Sound: The Creator, Maestro, Mission Impossible Dead Reckoning Part 1, Oppenheimer, The Zone of Interest. Here are the nominees for Best Visual Effects: The Creator, Godzilla Minus One, Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3, Mission Impossible Dead Reckoning Part 1, Napoleon. Here are the nominees for Best Animated Short Film: Letter to a Pig, 95 Senses Are Uniform, Paichadrem, War is Over, inspired by music of John and Yoko. Here are the nominees for Best Documentary Short Film: The ABC of Book Banning, The Barber of the Little Rock, Iceland in Between, The Last Repair Shop, Nai Nai, and Waipo. Here are the nominees for Live Action Short Film: The After, Invincible, Knights of Fortune, Red, White and Blue, The Wonderful Story of Henry Sugar. So what are your thoughts on these nominations? Please write down in the comments below, and please like and share this video with more people and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. You can watch other videos over here as well. So thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye. See you. Take care.